What's that, BB-8? You're lonely? You feel like you need a little friend in this space here? Well, let's see if we can't do something about that then for you. Yes, hello everybody, welcome, it's Chris here from MoDXtra, a pleasure to have you here on my channel. And let's start with a bit of story time with Chris. So if you follow my socials, or if you follow our Dice Masters content over at the Ministry of Dice YouTube channel, you'll have probably caught on the wind that last weekend I tested positive for the dreaded COVID-19. And I have, for many days now, just been living my life in a very poorly haze, barely able to get out of bed, coughing, sneezing, sniffling, and watching Netflix on my Amazon Fire Stick in a haze, isolating myself in this room that I am in now. My wife has had me firmly barricaded in. We have elderly grandparents that she looks after, and thankfully, fingers crossed, through the whole period of this, she has not tested positive. So, however, I have today managed to raise myself out of bed. I've found my way to a shower, finally. I've changed out of my pyjamas and put some proper clothes on, and I've come to realise that I am super bored. And my passion in life is making content. I love learning new skills and trying to work on new stuff. And my wife reminded me that for my birthday this year, I've not got around to it yet, but for my birthday this year, I received this bad boy, the Lego Imperial Probe Droid. And so, in order to alleviate some of my boredom, she has delivered my laptop, my microphone, my camera, and said Lego kit. I've made, on top of a chest of drawers in my quarantine cell, a little temporary Lego building station. And for the first time ever, I'm going to have a little go at time-lapsing myself doing a Lego build. Now, it may go well, it may be an utter failure. I've never done a time-lapse before, but as I say, in an effort to learn some new skills, I'm going to give it a go. And hopefully you guys will enjoy watching me put my Lego Probe Droid together and giving BB-8 a little friend. So let's not dilly-dally around, let's get into it, and let's show you a time-lapse build of the Imperial Probe Droid. Well, here it is, folks. Here is the chest of drawers temporary isolation setup for me recording my time-lapse Lego build. I can't help but think right now I may have set myself up for a significant fail, because is that going to be enough surface space to do it? I suppose there's one way to find out. Here we go, BB-8, a little friend for you. If you could do me a favour and have a little word with this guy here, perhaps make him reconsider his villainous ways, that would be great. Okay, there we are.